Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about UBX stock or Unity Biotechnology Inc. Now if you are looking at this particular stock, you will see a base has been formed even in the short term and the stock started moving again. So this is simply a trading bounce, and right now it's been quite visible in the overall market that if you see stocks, you will see on a broad base level stocks are they have already started moving again. So the correction that has happened or that has to happen has already been done. Most of the part has already been done and stocks have started moving higher. So let's quickly analyze UBX stock, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel yet, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So what do we have here? Right now you have 0.92 as your stop loss. Okay, don't go below 0.92. And as far as the upper end of the range is concerned, you have 1.4, which is your immediate target or resistance on the upside. So basically this is a range in between which UBX stock has been moving. Once 1.41 has been taken, the immediate target that we are going to look at on the upside will be 2.78. And let me tell you that this is just a trading bounce back. Do not consider this as something phenomenal that's been happening. Okay, just a trading bounce back. Beyond 2.78 we have, we are 4.66. Beyond 4.66, as you can see, the stock has fallen with a gap. So the theory of gaps are very interesting because it doesn't matter when the gap was formed on the upside or on the downside. Sometimes in the future the stock covers the gap. If the stock falls down, it will move up and covers the gap. If a gap has been created on the upside, stock will fall down and fills the gap. So that's something very interesting that happens time and time again in different stocks. So anyways, beyond 4.66 you have $10 and you have $15. So this is what we are looking at as far as the swing targets for Unity Biotechnology stock or UBX stock is concerned, as far as the upcoming weeks and months. But most importantly, don't trade below your support and stop loss. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.